Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another weekly dose of aviation. This military helicopter was supposed to fly next to a journalist for a news reportage, but it flew too close. Luckily, no one was injured. This plane's nose gear collapsed after landing at an airport in Nepal. This glider almost had a mid-air collision with a tow plane. This plane flying sideways at an air show with a motorbike jumping over it. These guys were filming their trip on a private jet when the plane started leaking fuel.
Nevidím ho. Ty vole, fakt?
They then had to make an emergency landing.
Let's go, pane bože, aspoň jsme na runway. Ok, pomalinku, polehonku, dobře.
After they landed, first responders were on scene and the plane landed safely. This is how an F-35 breaking the sound barrier looks. This cool effect created by the plane engine. This plane flying low in a really sharp turn. This helicopter flying really close over 3 cars. This helicopter rescuing a person on the side of a very steep hill. That's it for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed. Other sources will be linked in the description as usual. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and also feel free to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, links down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.